Hi.
Hi guys, I'm Wes. So I'm from GeneralTouch. We are manufacturing in China for over 23 years in touch screens and touch displays. So what we have here is our panel mount PCs and also our monitors for all kinds of applications.
So they all touch.
Yes, actually, yes, pick up multi-touch. But for all those models here, we are showing a video, so you can see there's no response that because it's just showing the video.
All right.
Yeah.
And you have different shapes.
Yes, actually, that model is more like for gaming and retail industry. So this is we understand that this is a show more for industrial market. So we just put one here to like attract the eyes. Yeah, yeah.
So where it's gonna stop, I will win it.
Oh yes.
Oh, it's for me.
Oh yes.
Nice.
Yeah, you'll get that later.
Nice. And what do we see here behind?
So for this wall, we have samples which shows our capability on the custom made on the cover gas. So we have our own facilities on the gas processing. So all kinds of glass, we can do different shape and also with different logo, different printing. And also we do the touch sensor ourselves.
Where are you based?
We are based in China, in southwest city, which is called Chengdu. It's the hometown of the giant pandas.
And what did we see here?
So it's a showcase of the monitors, of the components and the parts of the monitors. It's a very regular monitor we have, so we're putting this here, trying to show our customers that how our monitors is assembled.
Some of the products here.
Yes, some of the specs.
And what's your main advantage? Are you saying you have the best quality for price, or?
I think our advantage is that we do a lot of custom-made jobs. So from industrial gambling and also for transportation, we can respond fastly on the customer's requirements. Yeah.
All right. Do you have customers around the world?
Yeah, mostly in Europe and also in US and Japan.
Can you talk about how many products are shipped totally? Is millions?
Yes.
Millions.
Yeah.
All right. The biggest market is?
You mean in terms of the vertical industry or the territory?
Maybe like the biggest shipments go to the US or other place?
Yes, in US, also UK. Yeah.
Right.
Right now, the two biggest market is US, UK, also other countries in Europe.
What do you do for outdoor sunlight visibility?
Yeah, this is our model for a outdoor
Has good
application. Yeah.
not
this
too much
is,
reflection?
Yeah, this is a 32-inch touch display. Yeah, 1,500 nits. Yeah, with UV, anti-UV filter. So we have a wide application for this for some outdoor vending machines, yeah, in Europe.